company called Cosy sent me over 3 pair of shoes to show to you guys, okay? So I'm excited about this because their shoes are very fashionable, very cutesy, very nice, but yet it's comfortable for people. It's a shoe that is for people who is looking for style and comfort together. Because sometimes when you're looking for a comfortable shoe, you have a hard time. I know, like with me personally, I have a hard time trying to find a shoe that is cute and comfortable at the same time. Like, I don't want a comfortable shoe and it looks comfortable and it's just like no style, no sense of style. Now, the first thing I noticed when they sent their packaging, it's so simple but yet very classy, okay? And when you open this cover, now I've opened them before, so I've kind of got it discombobulated. When you open it up, it comes with a very nice covering, and the covering also Cosy on it. So you open it inside of the box, it comes with a card, right? And it says, "Thanks, we hope you enjoy your purchase. All of our products are crafted with great attention to detail. Please enjoy the discount 20% off," and then they give you a code. We love to hear your thoughts or see your pictures, okay? And then they leave their email address where you can get in contact with them and send your pictures or your comments, right? So it comes with that cute, listen to me, I love a good packaging, and I love when companies take their time out and say thank you. All right, so this right here is another package, and it says foot care. Cosy insole makes the shoe feel better. So they also give you like an insole you can wear, okay, for extra comfort, and that's nice. Look at that. So the insole you put inside the shoe, okay, and it's padded, right? It's padded. So that's something for extra comfort. It's very thoughtful of them. All right, so here's the first pair of shoes. All right, so here's the first shoe. That's a beautiful shoe. Beautiful. So it's beige. I don't know if you can tell if the shoe is beige, okay? So this is a cute, and it's a pointy toe, beige heel. The material is stretchy. The material on the top of the shoe is very stretchy, okay? And there's a nice, sleek little heel there. The heel is sexy. Look at that. The cushion, cushiony on the inside. But what I love about this, it has the rubber sole. The bottom is the rubber sole, okay? It's been great. They put great detail in making this shoe very classy, very cute. You cannot beat comfortable cushion on the inside. The rubber soles on the bottom, stretchable, the breathable and stretchable material on the sexy. That's a nice shoe. All right, let's look at the second shoe that they also comes in this dust bag too. Each shoe comes in the dust bag. That's really nice. Love how they're wrapping. I love it. Very okay, the second shoe, exactly the same with the thank you note. But let's get into this look, honey. Pretty in pink. Love it. You guys see that silver? Very nice. That's a sexy shoe. Sexy shoe. This is sling buckles right here. But look at that. Very nice. All see the same rubber heel on the bottom. So cute. You guys. Cute. And listen, all the information will be in my description box, okay? I also have a code for you to get a percentage off, all right? And I will have the link to each one of these shoes. Okay, so it will be in my description box. Make sure you check the description box for the percentage off. All right, let's get into the next shoe. All right, now this is your party shoe. Look at that shine, honey. Look at that shine. This reminds me of the story of Cinderella, baby. Look at that. This is a silver shoe. Look at that heel, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Look at the black. I love this. Look how the black soles are very thick, very cushiony, very comfortable. Also a pointy toe. That's a beautiful looking shoe. You cannot, absolutely cannot beat. This is beautiful. Gorgeous. All right. Again, the company's name, Cosy, their information will be linked below.